NOAA has just released their official December outlook, and it could get quite active across the majority of the country. Let me know where you're watching from. I'm meteorologist Mark Meyer, and what does this mean for your area this December? To start off December in the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, a clashing of air masses here. Very cold Arctic air, very warm air with a southeasterly ridge of high pressure is going to set up a big battleground here throughout the central United States, through the Ohio Valley, into the Northeast, with an active storm track that's likely always between these two temperature anomalies from Texas up to the Ohio Valley and to the Northeast. This could deliver strong storm systems with heavy snow on the northwest side, possibly severe weather on the southeast side in the warm sector. Here's the official temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center for the month of December, showing that higher likelihood of below average temperatures in the Great Lakes, upper Midwest, northern plains, and the portions of the Northeast, and then above average temps in the Southwest into the Southeast U.S., with that storm track likely somewhere in between, likely have very strong Pacific systems coming on shore in California and the Pacific Northwest, diving down through the Rockies, and possibly into Texas as well, and then moving northeast up through the Ohio Valley into the Northeast. There's a possibility with this type of pattern here that you get your big snowstorms that tap into Gulf moisture up through the Great Lakes, and possibly, if the pattern shifts far enough south throughout the month of December, could be looking at the potential for a nor'easter or two toward the end of December. This is also very evident in the monthly precipitation outlook that they also released today, showing a higher likelihood of above average precipitation throughout the Great Lakes, Northeast, upper Midwest, the northern plains, and portions of the upper Rockies. This does not mean above average snowfall, but when you have below average temperatures in December combined with the higher chances for above average precipitation, you're going to likely see above average snowfall for some of these areas. Our models also agree about the early December pattern, showing that clashing of air masses with a strong storm track likely in the central United States, bringing strong storm systems in a very active and roller coaster pattern to begin December. I'll have more updates in the days and weeks ahead here as we start getting into a very active pattern for wintry weather.